Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little something different. This is going to be a little tip that you can use if you have this type of problem. I had bought a EVH branded pot, and it had a larger post on it, and it was a neural. Okay, the inside of these fender knobs that I bought, the tone knobs, the hole underneath was smaller than the post, and I didn't know what to do. I was clueless. So what I did was I took my Dremel and I dremeled off the sides of the post to try to make the post a little bit smaller. And then I took another tip and reamed out the hole on the inside of the knob to make it a little bit larger. Well, in the end, it did work. It did go on. But after a while of use, I couldn't tell where my volume was because it just spun on the post. So I don't know. I thought for months how to fix it. I thought maybe I could get some of those tapping screws as little inserts and put in on the side to see if that would work. But then I was afraid of maybe cracking the knob with the drill so I could get that insert. And so I tossed that the light, and I tried and tried and tried. I couldn't think of anything until just recently. I had some of this. It's threaded seal that plumbers use. It was a simple little thing to maybe take up some of that extra space. So I took maybe, I would say a good almost 2.5 inches or something like that, 2 and 3/4, whatever. And I turned the knob or the post or the pot the way it was going to be the tightest or at the end. And I took the tape and I just wound tape around the post. Just like that. So if you ever run into this problem, I don't know if anybody has, like if you're on a gig or something like that, or even, this is my first guitar that I built, Frankenstrat. And I ran into that problem. I didn't know what to do. So I took this threaded seal tape, wrapped it around the post, and then I took the knob of the hole that I, kind of leaned out a little bit too large, and plopped that sucker on. I don't know if you can hear that. That definite click now at the end of the rotation. And it holds pretty good, actually. I mean, if you don't roughhouse it or anything like that, it holds pretty good. I couldn't believe it. It was just that little trick with this tape. If you ever run into that problem and you want an easy fix, it's an easy fix. Put somewhere that's called low density PTFE or whatever that. I'm not a plumber, but it's plumber's tape. That's threaded seal tape. That's all it is. And it fixed my little slippage problem on my knob. I was so excited, man. I was like, damn, that was it. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because there's going to be more tips like this. Leave a comment, ring the notification bell, and most importantly, leave a like, please. It helps out the channel tremendously. And for all those people who have subscribed, thank you very much. Need one more to get that 300, and man, that'll make me. I know it's a small channel, but it made me the happiest guy ever. You guys take it easy. Have a safe rest of your weekend, and more importantly, have a safe rest of your week. And we'll see you in the next one. All right.